Unlock the secrets to crafting breathtakingly realistic AI photos with Adobe Firefly. Dive into the ultimate guide to mastering AI photography in minutes. From perfecting settings to achieving photorealism with reference images, effects, lighting, and camera tweaks. This is your definitive journey into next-gen creativity. Adobe Firefly is a cutting-edge AI tool from Adobe, designed to seamlessly integrate with Adobe Creative Cloud. It leverages advanced AI to help you create amazing visuals, text effects, and more, all from simple text prompts. First, let's talk about its generative AI capabilities. Firefly can generate detailed images from textual descriptions. Imagine typing a sunset over the mountains and getting a beautiful, realistic image instantly. Next, Generative Fill allows you to modify images by adding, removing, or replacing elements using text prompts. The AI matches lighting and shadows perfectly, making edits look seamless. Firefly also excels in generating vector graphics. From icons to patterns, it creates editable vector images organized for easy editing. For text visuals, Firefly creates striking effects perfect for social media, flyers, and posters, enhancing your content effortlessly. Another standout feature is Generative Recolor. It applies themes and color variations to vector images using natural language, perfect for experimenting with different design combinations. Users love Adobe Firefly for its intuitive interface and efficiency. It integrates smoothly with other Adobe products, saving you time and enhancing productivity. Adobe Firefly is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud subscription plans. Free users get a limited number of generative credits, while paid plans offer more. You can also purchase additional credits as needed. Compared to competitors like Midjourney and DALL-E, Adobe Firefly stands out with its ethical training practices, robust integration with Adobe's ecosystem, and safety for commercial use. Adobe is constantly updating Firefly with new features. Recent enhancements include advanced photography style adjustments and collaborative tools within Photoshop. Future updates promise even more AI-powered tools across Adobe Creative Cloud applications. Industry experts praise Adobe Firefly for its innovative approach and responsible AI practices, setting new standards for content authenticity. Join the Firefly community on Adobe's website or Discord channel to connect with Adobe staff and fellow creators, share ideas, and troubleshoot issues. Ready to transform your creative workflow? Try Adobe Firefly today and experience the future of design. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.